Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
Auto takeoff sequence initiating.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transport hold for security.
Those stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen him?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear,
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them.
heels up, R2. Where are we going? Don't you dare make the top of my foot. R2, do something! The transmission. Mandalorian.
Star Tours, a battle is brewing and we can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Glory, I would gladly be of service.
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
This activity is far bearable. They are the legendary space waves. Might as well be so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. I'm gonna need some help.
Winning never ends.
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
What transmission?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano. Greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I am sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, R2. Let us consider this. The transmission. Now what?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.